Manila Travel and Tours is a one-stop shop travel agency that caters door-to-door transfer, hotel accommodations, and island hopping activities in Boracay. So from here, arriving Calibo International Airport, we do transfer via Southwest Bus and Boat. And from there, we also accommodate shuttle transfer from their hotel.
Through Manila Travel via Southwest Tours, hassle-free yung transfer nila from Calibo International Airport to Boracay Island.
Itong Manila Travel ay malaking bagay para dito sa amin kasi nagdagdag pa rin ito ng impression para sa services ng Calibo International Airport. Kasi yung International Airport na ito ay ito rin ay nakapasok siguro sa pangalawa o pangatlo sa buong Pilipinas na International Airport at marami kaming pasahero na halos lahat ay nakatulong yung Manila Travel. Maraming nagsasabi na babalik pa sila sa bayan natin sa Calibo going to Boracay kasi sa maganda din ang serbisyo at magandang accommodation para dito sa Calibo.
Our guests from Manila Travel and Tours likes our place very much, and I'm very thankful to Manila Travel and Tours that they are promoting our hotel here in Calibo.
Manila Travel and Tours is located here in Calibo International Airport. We provide the most accessible and reliable information on your travel destination.